I don't know how to put this, but I'm just gonna go ahead and say it. Designs do fail, and while there may be many reasons why designs fail, I'm just going to give you 2 reasons why designs fail. So to do that, I'm going to use this poster as a reference. As you can see, this poster here is a recycling poster, so they did get that thing right, but every other thing here is wrong. So number 1 reason why design may fail is overcomplicating the elements of the design. So for example, here you can see everything is just complicated. The text is everywhere, the elements everywhere, symbols everywhere. Number 2 why design may fail is when you ignore the basic principles of design. Principles like alignment, balance, color, hierarchy, all those things. Now to fix this, I did come up with a design that I did 6 months ago to explain this. So as you can see, this is a simple design, and to start with, I started by fixing the orientation, right? This is a flyer that is going to be passed around. It must be printable, so it's an A5 size. The second thing I did was clear up the colors. I used colors that are more relatable to nature. The third thing I did was I changed the typography, and I used one font family, right? I used Montserrat for this. Another thing I did was to categorize the items into many groups so that it can be readable and identifiable. I've only showed you 2 reasons why designs may fail. There's a lot more factors that will influence the success of a design. To find out more about this, be sure to join my graphic design introductory class that I'm offering to everyone. The details on how you can join will be down in the comment section. Be sure to join this, and until I see you again, take care.